everyone I should give this to you.
I ghosted it. It was, I'd have it smart.
She can't even open her eyes.
Okay. It's horrible.
It's horrible.
You don't like it?
She can't wait for it to be over.
Do you not like it? Are you having like a bad trip?
She can't talk. She's going like into it. Yeah. She can't talk.
Alright, do you like it or no? You like it? Or is it too weird?
She can't talk.
Oh shit, you're fucking crying.
Do you feel anything, Al?
A little bit.
Yeah.
What does it feel like? What do you feel?
I just got watery eyes. Really, that's about it.
Did you take a big hit?
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn.
Isn't it cool though?
I
Imagine
ghosted it.
fucking
I didn't
keeping your
have-
face up that all day, dude.
I didn't have any months when I was doing it. I blew it all out.
Is there more left?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do it?
You can, because I know you want to.
I don't want any, dude.
Really? Why?
Because I'm already really fucking high. What do you want to do? Do you want any more?
No, there's probably not enough to fucking.
You guys want any more of this?
I
No,
think
we
I
want any more of
fucking
this.
shut it off. I don't have a lighter.
You okay?